I'm your GK teacher Malovi Day, and today I am going to teach you the 10th chapter of your GK book. It is related to grammar and usage. The name of the chapter is vocabulary. So children, take out page number 18. In page number 18, you can see it is written vocabulary, and you have to circle the correct words. So children, let us begin with the first one. Someone who is shy and lacks confidence. Someone who is shy and lacks confidence. You have been given two options, dauntless and diffident. The right answer is diffident. So children, circle the word diffident. I shall write it on the board so that it will be easier for you, okay? And diffident means it is also that someone who is reserved and restrained. He is also called diffident. So the first answer is diffident. Children, you can circle the word diffident. Now, the second one. A tall and steep rock face or cliff. You have been given two options, that is gorge and precipice. The answer to this is precipice. Circle that word, precipice. I am going to write it on the board. Okay. Precipice. Now the third one. Children, the third one is a person who is unfortunate. The options are hapless and inauspicious. So the answer is hapless. You have to circle the word hapless. The fourth one is someone who can easily be convinced to believe something. Someone who can easily be convinced to believe something. The two options are discerning and gullible. The answer is gullible. You have to circle the word gullible. G-U-L-L-I-B-L-E. Gullible. Now fifth one. The fifth one is a conclusion based on unreasonable arguments. A conclusion based on unreasonable arguments. The two options are fallacy and posterity. The answer is fallacy. You have to circle the word fallacy. F-A-L-L-A-C-Y. Fallacy. One is, children, something that is memorable and unforgettable. Something that is memorable and unforgettable. The options are indelible and fallible. The answer is indelible. Circle the word indelible. Sixth one. Indelible. Indelible. Sorry, children. Indelible. Now the seventh one. Not revealing one's thoughts or feelings readily. Not revealing one's thoughts or feelings readily. Two options are reticent and reticular. The answer is reticent. Seventh one. The answer is reticent. Reticent. Now the eighth one. Eighth one is to form an opinion from the information that you have. To form an opinion from the information that you have. The two options are infer and concur. The answer is infer. You have to circle the word infer. So children, ninth one. To conform to the law or the rules. To conform to the law or the rules. Two words are given, legitimate and logistical. The answer is legitimate. You have to circle the word legitimate. Now the tenth one. Something that deserves hatred and contempt. Something that deserves hatred and contempt. Two options are given: despicable and exemplary. The answer is despicable. Despicable. So children, I have done all the 10 statements and given the answer on the board. You have to circle all these answers in your book on page number 18. Now children, come to the bottom of the page. Words like lols, photobomb, hashtag and hangery are just a few of the new words that have been added to the English dictionary in recent years. Now I am going to tell you their meaning also. Okay children? The first word is LOLZ. That means laugh out loud. LOLZ, L-O-L-Z, is used as plural form or to indicate laughter. Okay. Now the second word is photobomb. In 2014, photobomb was named word of the year by the Collins English Dictionary. Photobombing can be described as a person intentionally or unintentionally appearing in a photograph of someone or something else and taking the focus and attention of the intended subject. Okay children, this is photobombing. Photobomb. Hashtag. Hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hash sign. Children, hash sign, you all now know what is hash sign. Used on social media, websites and applications, especially Twitter, to identify usage on a specific topic. That is hashtag. And hangery. Hangery is a word that is a blend of the word hungry and angry, according to English Oxford English Dictionary. Its meaning is bad-tempered or irritable as a result of hunger. So the word hungry is a blend of hungry and angry. So children, learn thoroughly this chapter. Okay children, this is all for today's class. We will meet in the next class.